is the tallest building on Earth. But what if I told you it all started with nothing but an empty desert? Today, I'll show you every stage of Burj Khalifa's construction, how it was built, how long it took, how much it cost, and the incredible engineering behind it. Let's begin. In just a few minutes, you'll watch 6 years of construction unfold right before your eyes. Right here, where you only see endless desert today, the world's tallest building will soon rise. Let's talk about the history. In 2004, this land was carefully selected for one of the most ambitious construction projects in history. Everything started with an idea, before a single stone was placed. Engineers first measured every inch of this desert with incredible precision. Only after months of planning did the heavy machines finally arrive. The first real step was digging deep into the desert to create a foundation strong enough for a super tall tower. Look at the progress we're making here. The foundation is taking shape, exactly as planned. Nearly 200 deep piles were drilled to anchor the tower into solid ground. These steel cages would become the hidden backbone beneath the entire building.
Keep it steady now. Lower it slowly.
All right, she's secure.
Check the tension.
Make sure it's fully covered. The iconic Y-shaped core rises from the desert, a monumental feat of engineering already taking shape. The Burj Khalifa rises, a monument to engineering ambition.
At 30 floors, the core continues. Level 42 engaged. Confirming green light on all sensors. We are secure.
Keep it moving in that section. Level it off here. Watch the edge, it's wet.
Keep it slow, watch the lines. All right, ready for the drop. Release the flow. Vibrate it, move it along.
You doing okay, buddy?
Yeah, I just needed some water. Thanks.
Let's get back to it.
The foundation was complete, and now Burj Khalifa was finally beginning to rise floor by floor.
The iconic structure surges upward, a testament to modern engineering. The golden hour illuminates the final stages as the
We're now above 145 floors. Every new level is becoming more difficult because of the extreme height and strong winds. Even at this incredible height, construction never stops. Every floor must be built with perfect precision. The tower is becoming narrower as it gets closer to its final shape.
Each completed floor brings Burj Khalifa one step closer to becoming the tallest building in the world.
After almost 6 years of non-stop construction, the main structure of Burj Khalifa is finally complete. We are now standing on the 163rd occupied floor. This incredible tower was built with the help of more than 12,000 workers. Together, they used around 300,000 cubic meters. The construction cost was about 1.5 billion US dollars, and building this massive structure required years of planning, hard work, and precision. Everything stands on 192 reinforced concrete foundation piles, each reaching about 50 meters deep into the ground, creating an incredibly strong base. The main structure is complete, but the journey isn't over. Next, the glass facade, the steel spire, and
Utilizing custom-designed cranes, the highly reflective glass panels began to rapidly clad the structure, transforming the skyline.
The entire Burj Khalifa structure is now covered with glass. The building finally looks like the iconic tower we know today. The next step is one of the most challenging parts of the project, the installation of the massive steel spire at the very top. Every steel section is carefully inspected because even the smallest mistake at this height is unacceptable. After years of hard work, the tower is almost complete. Only the final steel spire and interior finishing remain.
Hold the position. The section is secure. Engage the main hoist. Slow and steady, copy that.
Okay, easy now, slowly to the left, hold it there. All right, set it down. All clear, tension released.
Lower it down, steady now. Spire is secured, lock it in. Copy that, Burj Khalifa has reached its full height.
The alignment needs to be absolutely precise. Check the laser leveling tool. Got it. I'll cross-reference with the blueprints now.
Easy, easy. Bring it down another foot. Got it, clear on this side.
Alignment looks good from here. Check the synchronization levels.
Levels are stable. We have green across the board.
Pressure levels are stable across the board. We are clear for final activation.
Fire system test complete. All systems nominal.
Secure the pump unit to the foundation. Connect the pipe to the main assembly. Align the lights on this section.
After years of planning and construction, Burj Khalifa finally became the tallest building in the world. This project required thousands of workers, advanced engineering, and years of dedication to complete. Thank you for watching this complete Burj Khalifa documentary. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe to RustFix, and I'll see you in the next documentary.